Hello dear friends, myself Dr. Shrikant Verma, MBBS MD Anatomy. Very soon I am coming to you with my anatomy app under Mediversity. Here I will teach you anartigration. What is the anartigration? Yes, conceptual, brainstorming, integrated synapse between the very basics of the anatomy to the various clinical and the paraclinical subjects, which will improve your knowledge in a very interesting and a beautiful way. For example, when we will learn about the very important topic peritoneum, foramen of Winslow, then immediately we will correlate this topic with the abdominal surgery Pringle's maneuver. Then immediately we will correlate this peritoneum foramen of Winslow topic to the medicine portal hypertension, and immediately the same topic we will correlate with the radiology with Mickey Mouse sign. What are the other salient features? Yes, it will be very simple, very interesting and the conceptual. We will draw the simple images on the board so that you can write, you can understand and you can remember the topics. Also, we will practice the images from all the standard books of the anatomy. Not only the anatomy, also we will use the Harrison, Love and Bailey, Dhingra, every subject so that we can memorize this all the things in our long term memory. To make interesting the subject, also we will use the tricks and the mnemonics. We will also discuss all the controversial topics among various subjects. So dear friends, myself Dr. Shrikant Verma need your blessings for my anatomy app. Very soon it is coming to you. Thank you so much.